There's nothing less sexy than when you start getting it on with a girl, you're ripping off each other's clothes, making out, but when you get to her bra, you cannot for the life of you figure out how to get that shit off. You look like a fool. There's nothing that screams inexperience more than a guy who can't get a bra off. She'll see it as a sign of what's to come, and that is not good for you. That does not bode well. In this video, I'm going to teach you multiple ways of taking a bra off so that you never look like that inexperienced loser in front of the girl you like. And if you want regular videos teaching you everything you need to know so that you don't have to spend your life as a loner because you have no idea what you're doing in bed, then make sure you hit subscribe and give this video a like while you're down there. So let's jump straight into it. First things first, you want to determine what type of bra she's wearing. She's either going to be wearing a back strap, a front clasp, or a sports bra. Never ask her what type of bra she's wearing. This is not a good look for you. Most girls are going to be wearing a back strap, so what you do is just run your hand along her back. If you feel the clasp in the middle, she's wearing a back strap. If you feel nothing, then she's wearing a front clasp. If she's wearing a sports bra, you'll be able to tell just from looking at it. Assuming she's wearing a back strap and you're face to face, the next most important rule is to always use your left hand. Most problems guys experience when they try to take a bra off is using the right hand because most people are right-handed. We'll start with the most common situation, a back strap with two hooks. For this, you simply take your left hand, run it up her back until you hit the bra strap, then run your fingers along the bra until you find the hooks. Then you're going to take your index finger, go above the bra strap and put your index finger between her back and the bra. Pull the bra out slightly from her back, then take your middle finger and your thumb and pinch together either side of your index finger. Remove your index finger, then slide your middle finger towards your thumb until you're pinching the strap that your thumb is on between your middle finger and your thumb. When you do that, then simply pull away to the left and the bra will come undone every single time. Next, we'll do another back strap, but this time it has more hooks. Sometimes when a girl has bigger boobs, she'll have 3 or 4 hooks instead of 2. But the process is still the same, you just need to pinch it twice instead of once, 2 or 3 times. You just run your left hand up her back again, find the hooks by running your hand along the bra, then take your index finger, put them between the hooks and her back, pull that away from her body, pinch together with your middle finger and your thumb, then slide your middle finger towards the thumb and pull away. Then you just repeat that again one more time and the bra should come undone every single time. When a girl's wearing a front clasp, first of all, it means you're in for a very, very enjoyable night. Secondly, you're going to have to use both hands. To undo a front clasp, you simply grab it either side, push it in together, and then slide one side out of the other. Sometimes it's going to vary which way you slide, so if you feel resistance one way, then just slide it the other way and it should come out easily. And if she's wearing a sports bra, you just pull it over her head like you would a top. Now you have the information to undo any bra that comes your way. One note though, if you watch this, maybe you practice a bit, but you're still having trouble, you end up meeting a girl, you make out, things are getting hot and heavy, you get to the bra and you're still struggling, don't worry. Just stay calm. Do not get frustrated. If you go for a little bit, it's really not working, just laugh, act cool, say something along the lines of, "Today's not my day, can you help me out?" And then don't say anything else about it. Don't say like, "Usually this doesn't happen to me, I don't know what the problem is." Just say, "Sorry, I don't know what's up, can you help me out?" And then don't mention it again. Just move on. Pretend nothing happened. On the same note, if you do it very fast, don't act like it's some huge big deal. Don't like give her the James Bond look, holding it up like, yeah, that just happened. You'll look like an idiot. Just, again, if you clip it off straight away, just act like nothing happened and just keep going to the next, to the next, to the next. But in all likelihood, now, if you get to the point where you're taking her bra off, you're not going to fuck your chances up. However, you first need to get to the point where you're taking a girl's bra off. And to do that, you need to know what girls like. You need to know what gets them turned on. Most guys completely fuck up their chances whenever they get a new girl simply because they have no idea what they're doing. They act nervous, they rush, and it's so obvious and a massive turn off to women. However, there's some simple things that you can do that will make you look like a fucking stud, that will make you look confident even if on the inside you're absolutely terrified. In this video, me and my lovely assistant Sally demonstrate 3 moves that are guaranteed to get any woman turned on. You can get access to this video and a free PDF with the 2 principles on how to get any woman addicted to sex with you if you visit www.donofdesire.com/free touches or click the link in the description. Learn how to blow women's minds. Learn how to get them turned on. Don't ruin your chances. Make sure you're doing it right.